Hello dear traders, you're watching InstaForex's TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina. In the weekly link up, we're going to discuss recent developments in the most popular currency pairs. Besides, we will try to forecast their further dynamics. Technical analyst Petar Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. Lately, the euro-dollar pair was following a bear trend as traders were anticipating the game-changing Fed's policy meeting in December. However, the situation in the currency market has changed and the single European currency gained strength to resist the US dollar. Petar, from your viewpoint, what should traders expect from the euro-dollar pair in the short run?
Hello there, traders. I'm expecting an upward price on the euro-US dollar because there is a downward trend in the background. So it is a strong downward trend according to the daily time frame. But from the other side, I found according to the 4-hour time frame, there was a sideways in the market, and I found a trading range in the price. Actually, I saw the strength basically, and the strength came in also very high activity in the high volume, and the price actually broke out of this trading range upward, and I found a successful retest of that resistance of that trading range in a low volume, which is sign of strength and sign that USD may go for further upward side. So USD is in strong downward trend, but from the other side of the 4-hour time frame, there is a potential accumulation from the smart money. So my advice is actually to watch for a buying between this on the short-term perspective, since we may see the rally on the USD. The first target set the price of 1.0950. And then we got targets at 1.0985 and 1.1045. Again, due to the accumulation and sideways market in the background, the broken trading range in a high volume, a successful test of this trading range after the breakout. This is why I'm expecting a higher price. And my advice for you is to watch for buying opportunities on the dips.
And what about the pound-dollar pair?
I'm expecting the upward price on the British pound USD as like on the EURUSD. But on the British pound USD from the other side, I found a broken downward channel in the background, very clear broken downward channel, and the price actually broke the swing high and tested the swing high successfully according to the 4-hour time frame. There's also very strong demand which came in on the British pound USD in the background in the high volume, and this is why I'm bullish on this currency pair, and my advice for you is to watch for buying opportunities. The strong resistance, basically where the price is rejecting and where the smart money supporting, is the 1.2200 level. So this level acting like according to the 4-hour time frame like a strong support. The target on the British pound USD is set at the highs near the 1.2325. Again, with a strong demand in the background, broken downward channel, and successful breakout of the swing high according to 4-hour time frame. My advice to watch for buying opportunities on the dips.
The Japanese yen is giving in to the solid US dollar. Recently, Bank of Japan's Governor Haruhiko Kuroda stated that the domestic economy is set to improve in the near future. Nevertheless, traders still opt for the US dollar. What criteria should investors take into account when making trading decisions?
USD Japanese yen is trading higher and the buyers supporting. I found according to the daily time frame, let's say the previous 5-6 days, I found it a strong upward channel, upward trend line, and I can see the clear willing of the buyers to support the higher US Japanese yen. Anyway, be very careful when buying at this stage of Japanese yen because we got a strong resistance. There is a swing high according to the daily time frame near the 104.85. So if you watch for buying opportunities and the trend is upward, I would like to see that breakout of 104.85 and later on some testing of this level after the breakout to confirm further upward price and potential test, for example, 106.50, which is the upward target. If we don't see that, and if let's say, for example, the sellers step in and near the 104.85 and we see again rejection from this level, this may indicate potential further downward pressure and let's say potential testing on 100 free level. So again, for the higher price, watch for a breakout of 104.85 and successful test of this level. For the lower price, watch for a potential rejection, and for example, that you see the strong sellers come in the market and reject from 104.85. So again, buying opportunities above 104.85, rejection from this level, and will indicate potential downward price.
Peter, what another currency pair should traders take notice of?
I'm expecting a downward price on the Australian dollar, US dollar. The reason is, according to a daily time frame, there is a big cluster near the 0.7700. This level, which is also the round number, is acting like a strong resistance in past 15-20 days. And I saw the strong, also a lot of bar formations there. There is a few bearish engulfing patterns. There is also some pin bars there from this cluster. So this suggesting like potential topping according to the daily time frame on Australian dollar, US dollar. So watch for potential selling opportunities on the pullbacks. And let's say some near-term target is set at the price of 0.7510. So again, due to the strong cluster in the background, and we also got some bar formations there, suggesting that the selling pressure and sellers really they want a lower Australian dollar, so they protect this 0.7700 area right from the cluster. So because of this, watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
Peter, thank you so much for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the weekly link up on InstaForex TV channel. This edition has been presented by me, Anna Kasatkina, and InstaForex currency strategist Peter Yakimovic. We wish you gainful trading and see you soon on InstaForex TV channel.